Hi, my name's Sean Adams from Clearstone Solutions, and another question that we frequently get asked is what is low pressure roof cleaning? For many, many years, the main method and the only method has been pressure washing your roofs. And that is where a jet of water is pushed through a very small hole and high pressure comes out. That can cause, if in the wrong hands, a lot of damage to roofs and surfaces because of a high jet of pressure coming through. So soft washing is an alternative to pressure washing. And essentially what soft washing does is it uses chemicals. So the base foundation in what we use is sodium hypochlorite, and that's mixed with cleaning surfactants which aid in getting rid of organic growth and more natural kind of oil staining and everyday kind of stains. And that is applied using a low pressure water. So it's essentially a tap water pressure with a little bit more force put through, and it's sprayed over the surface that we're cleaning. And we let the chemicals do the work rather than the pressure. Now this has been adapted over many, many years and is now finely tuned, shall we say. Should you have any questions or wish to find out a little bit more about low pressure cleaning, soft washing, please click the link below and we would love to talk to you.